backyard, take however many number this is. What? Alright, I don't know which number this is, but I'm going to go brave out the outside. Oh. Ah. Look at that. Look at the snow drifts. There's a big old block of ice over here. Oh my lord, that's a lot of snow. Wow. That is a big snowdrift. That's our air conditioning unit. As we remember from Saturday, those are my lounge chairs. That's the pile next to the fence. It's completely white out. The house. Oh, that's right, I'm locked out again. Oh, crap. Oh, that's my son. Say hi. Okay. He's probably thinking, Mom, you're nuts. That's the youth center. Look at that big pile right over there. Oop. It's whipping up again. It's really windy out. Man. I don't even think I can be able to walk over and show you my window. That's my window. I hope our roof doesn't cave in or anything like that. I wonder if I should go check out how deep that is. No. That's probably going to be up to my waist right there. In the wind. You can see the snow. This is just crazy. There's my neighbor's house. Just snow just steadily blowing around the backyard. These fences, I think, are about 5 foot tall. And as you can see, the snowdrifts are almost right up there. Some of the piles are halfway up houses. I'm sure my neighbors think I'm just all kinds of stupid for standing out here. There's my son. Alright, well, I'm going to try to go back inside. I'm pretty sure it's going to be frozen shut.